Hello everyone, welcome back to Talks Dev YouTube channel. In this video, we will be creating a drag and drop using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. This is what we will be creating in this video. We have image and we have 5 boxes, and you can drag and drop the image to the other boxes. And you can see when you take the image there, it will show a green highlighted box with dotted border. And don't forget to get the source code of this video. Link will be in the description. And please like and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out. Let's get started. Okay guys, first of all, I'm going to get shift exclamation tab to get the starter code here and link it to CSS. And between the body, I'm going to create a div. Div dot container. Okay, container. Enter. This is going to have container on. This is going to be container on, and we are going to copy this 5 times, and we are going to change the number container 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, and we are going. That's it for HTML structure. Now we are going to link our script. Yes, app.js is connected, and let's get started with the CSS. Okay, first of all, margin selector, margin of 0, padding of 0 as well, and box sizing is going to be body box. And first we are going to have dot container to make it the selector, dot container, enter, width of 100%, height of 100 viewport height, display of flex, justify content going to be center, align items going to be center also, and last but not least, background color of black. Okay, and it's going to have a dotted border. It's going to be dotted yeah. Okay, so it's done here. Okay guys, so guys, now we are going to take the we're going to copy it 5 times. Copy. We have 5 times. No. And done. Now we are going to start it from 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 4, 3, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, guys. So this is it for the CSS. Let's get started with the JavaScript. For the JavaScript, guys, it's going to be very simple structure in JavaScript. Guys, app.js. Now, right click, show preview. Okay, guys. We have our structure. We have 5 scars, and we have image, and it's draggable. But in fact, it's the hover state is not on, guys, and it's not dotted. For that, we have to do the animation in JavaScript. So you can drag the image from its current place, but when you drag it, the current place should be empty. Okay. I'm going to have enter, confirm. Consist console dot log guys, we don't consist drag one and we're going to enter, and we're going to create consist equal document is going to be guys, card our state. Okay. Inside here, guys, you can have we're going to have color green. Coincidence, guys. When I spell the green, the text is also green. And we're going to have black. Oh, white. No, black is good. Black. Yeah. And this is for the JavaScript, guys. That means we have completed this project. So let's go to HTML and let's run this project. I hope you guys excited to run this project. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more awesome videos. Okay, guys. Show preview. Open in browser. Okay, like what I said, when you drag it, the instate image should be gone. That means that's what you are dragging now. See, the course also changed and the hover is added for everywhere. So now I need just put it in the middle and it goes to the middle. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome videos, and it really helps me a lot. So I will see you in the next. Peace.